Welcome back to Car Magica. The 2026 GMC Hummer is finally getting a full overhaul, delivering a bold and futuristic evolution of one of the most iconic off-road nameplates in automotive history. Recently spotted testing in the wild, the all-new Hummer showcases a more refined and aggressive design, reinforcing GMC's commitment to power, innovation, and all-terrain capability. One of the most dramatic updates is its overall shape. The new Hummer moves further away from the traditional rugged, boxy look, and instead adopts sleeker lines with a muscular stance. The windshield appears more vertical, while the rear section is wider and more squared, potentially improving both aerodynamics and cargo space. At the rear, new taillights are wider and more angular, giving the Hummer a broader, more commanding presence. Up front, the 2026 Hummer borrows design elements from GMC's latest electric truck lineup, featuring ultra-slim LED headlights and a full-width light bar across the grille, delivering a sharp, high-tech appearance. A massive front grille, now largely decorative due to its EV powertrain, adds to the vehicle's bold, no-nonsense image. This refreshed design helps the Hummer bridge its legendary off-road reputation with a modern electric future, all while maintaining the robust image fans expect from the brand. The side profile reveals more updates with a taller, more upright stance, especially near the rear roof pillars, which could offer additional headroom and storage space. Signature squared-off wheel arches remain, preserving the vehicle's classic off-road DNA. The newly designed rear lights now wrap around the corners, enhancing the truck's wide and planted appearance. Under the skin, the 2026 GMC Hummer marks a big step forward. It will be offered exclusively as an electric vehicle, with two versions available, a standard EV and an extended range variant. The current Hummer EV already impresses with up to 350 miles of range and eye-popping acceleration thanks to its tri-motor setup. The upcoming model may push those figures even higher, potentially making the 2026 Hummer one of the most powerful and efficient full-size electric trucks on the market. GMC may also carry over its Ultium battery platform, offering up to 1,000 horsepower and advanced features like CrabWalk and extract mode. These innovations ensure that the Hummer remains at the cutting edge of EV and off-road technology. The fully redesigned 2026 GMC Hummer is expected to be officially unveiled later this year, with production and sales beginning by the end of 2025. The base EV version will likely arrive first, followed by the extended range model. Starting prices are expected to begin in the upper $80,000 range, positioning the new Hummer as a high-end, rugged, and tech-packed option for those who want zero-emissions capability without sacrificing strength, style, or performance.